Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the right click which is not working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Again, it is Windows and R key together to open run window and type T task mgr, then click on OK to proceed. The moment you've typed it, wait for the task manager to appear here in your screen. Just expand it, and here you need to look for Windows Explorer. So if you don't find any Windows Explorer here at the apps, proceed to the background processes. Simply scroll down and look for Windows Explorer. And if you don't find any here again, use this search toolbar and type Windows Explorer. Okay, so the moment you've typed it, you'll be able to see the Windows Explorer under the Windows processes. Here you need to do a right click and go with restart. So once you restarted your Windows Explorer, restart your computer and check if your right click has been working again. Okay, and let's see if it doesn't. And let's move on to the second step, which is you need to press Windows and R key together again. And this time type regedit, then click on OK to continue. When your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you will be redirected here. Okay? So I'll be closing this first so that we can start from scratch. Okay? So let me just close everything. So this is a pretty long path. Okay. So the first one is you need to click this HKey classes root. Once you have clicked it, click this forward arrow. And here, click anywhere and type D so that you will be redirected to the file folder starting from D. And here you need to look for directory. So be keen on finding it because there are much folders here. Okay, so here it is in next to the retro clipper. Simply click on that and then click this forward arrow and then go with background. Click this forward arrow again and go with Shilex. Click this word arrow again and go with context menu handlers. So it is H classes root, then directory, then background, then Shilex, then context menu handlers. So under the context menu handlers, if you see any two folders named IGFXCUI and IGFXDICM. So don't worry because I'll be pasting this and at the description box below so that you can locate it. Again, it is IGFXCUI and IGFXDICM. Simply click on it and delete it. Oh, so let's say for example this is the folder. Do a right click and go with delete. Once you have successfully deleted the two folders, then close this window and restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.